Good morning, honorable judges, esteemed committee and fellow participants of the National English Cultural Showcase Contest 2025. Have you ever seen a performance that is not just a dance, but a living legend? A story of conflict transformed into unity, a philosophy of power and purity, embodied in the form of a majestic, roaring white lion. Let me take you to Heartwist Java, my home, Bondowoso, where the Singo Ulung lives and roars. So, I'm Rico Septian Ramadan, going to invite you to discover this great and mesmerizing performance, its legendary origin, its unique presentation, its deep philosophical wisdom, and its timeless relevance in our modern world. Singo Ulung is not just a dance, it's a living legend born in a Blimbing village, Bondowoso. Its story begins with a revered mystic from the Mataram region, Jukseng, who was later known as Kiai Singawulu. When he reached a dense forest, now known as Blimbing, he crossed path with its formidable guardian, Desiman. What followed was no ordinary encounter, but a mystical duel of might, fought not with sword, but with rattle stick crackling with energy. In the heat of this otherworldly battle, Jukseng unleashed his true power, transforming into a magnificent white lion. The Singo Ulung is roared, echoing through the forest as a declaration of strength and spirit. However, the conflict took a sharp turn. They soon discovered that they came from the same spiritual brotherhood. Instead of destroying each other, they chose to join forces to seal this newfound alliance. Desiman offered his sister Muna, later known as Musliha, in marriage to Kiai Singawulu. Together, these three figures laid the foundation for a prosperous and harmonious village. The Singo Ulung performance was created to honor this very story, a story of conflict being resolved not through victory, but through unity. The Singo Ulung performance is captivating spirits, a mesmerizing fusion of dance and drama that awakened very sense of the audience. Every movement, every note, every burst of color carries deep meaning, retelling the legend and spiritual values that have shaped the soul of Bondowoso. At the heart of this spectacle stands the Singo Ulung itself, a magnificent white lion costume, brought to life by two dancers. This majestic figure embodies Kiai Singawulu, a revered mystic of great power, but he doesn't dance alone. Based in Mofis Topengkona, a powerful masked character symbolizing Desiman, the brave guardian. Completing the trio is Tante Putri, graceful female dancer portraying Musliha. Together, they create a living harmony of strength, wisdom, and grace, a visual symphony of balance between might and serenity. The true power of Singo Ulung lies in its name. It's a profound leadership philosophy. Singo means lion, symbolizes power, courage, and leadership. Ulung comes wulu or white, symbolizes purity of heart, honesty, and humility. Together, they form a powerful message. True leadership is strength, guided by purity. Power without humility destroys, but power filled to builds. In today's world, Singo Ulung lives a double life, but secret and celebrated. In Blimbing village, it remains a ritual, performed with devotion and reverence of its original purpose, the Bersih Desa ceremony. Beyond the village, it has evolved into a celebrated art form, cultural icon proudly showcased at festivals, used to welcome honor guests and to represent Bondowoso to the world. And 2015, Singaulung was officially recognized as a national intangible cultural heritage of Indonesia. Today, it proudly roars within the UNESCO recognized Ijen Geopark. Thanks to local art studios or Padepokan, this legacy continues as young dancers learn to keep the lion spirit alive. Singaulung is more than art. It's the living, roaring soul of Bondowoso. It is a story of conflict turned into harmony. It is a symbol of humility in strength. It is a timeless lesson turned out the purest heart, make the strongest leaders. As the young generation of Indonesia, it is not enough to just watch it. We must understand it, live it, and pass it on. Let's make sure that the art to Singaulung never fades into aliens, but continues to echo boldly, beautifully, and eternally through the heart of Indonesia. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share channel YouTube UPA Bahasa Universitas Jember.